Carrying a laptop has become our daily routine in our fast-paced lives. But have you ever been inconvenienced by the lack of proper support? Now we bring you a revolutionary solution: ZUERST X6 Aluminium Portable Stand. Made of lightweight aluminium alloy, the X6 stand is compact in size and easy to carry. It has maximum weight capacity of 10 kilograms to support your laptop firmly. It's easy to use and requires only 3 steps. First, pull out the large built-in bracket. Then the small stand will automatically pop out and insert into holes 1 through 7 to adjust your desired angle. Finally, pull out the laptop bracket to the front to complete the setup. The X6 stand has 7 adjustable angle levels from 8.7 to 32.5 degrees, allowing you to adjust to your preference for the most comfortable viewing angle. To ensure safe use, avoid using or storing in unstable places. Do not disassemble or modify the product, and avoid cleaning with organic solvents. The X6 Aluminium Portable Stand is the ideal companion for your mobile office and travel. Includes stands, manual and carrying pouch. Design and specifications may be updated at any time to improve performance. Want to know more about ZUERST products? Please visit our official website to contact us.